Join me as I dive into the science and see what really happens if Earth's temperature rises by just 2 degrees. A 2-degree increase might seem small, but its effects on our planet would be enormous. This threshold is often cited by climate scientists as a critical limit, beyond which the impacts of climate change would become severe and irreversible. Rising temperatures would alter ecosystems, weather patterns, and even human health. One of the main challenges we'd face is more extreme weather events. Heat waves would become longer and more intense, leading to droughts in some areas and floods in others. This would strain our water resources and affect agriculture, leading to crop failures and food shortages. The consequences for human health would be dire, with increased mortality rates, especially among vulnerable populations. Ecosystems would also be severely impacted. Rising temperatures would alter the habitats of countless species, pushing many to extinction. Coral reefs, already stressed by ocean acidification, would suffer even more, leading to a decline in marine biodiversity. Weather patterns would become more unpredictable, making it difficult for us to prepare for and respond to natural disasters. The Arctic would feel the effects acutely, with the ice cap melting at an alarming rate. This would have a ripple effect throughout the planet, influencing ocean currents and weather patterns. The loss of ice would also accelerate, as the reduced reflective surface would absorb more solar radiation, amplifying the warming effect. The effects on polar ice caps would be catastrophic. The ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica would melt at an unprecedented rate, leading to sea level rise and coastal erosion. Agriculture would suffer as changing weather patterns and increased frequency of extreme events would impact crop yields. Biodiversity would decline as ecosystems struggle to adapt to the rapid changes. As the planet warms, we'd also see a significant impact on global food systems. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns would affect the distribution and prevalence of pests and diseases, reducing crop yields and affecting food security. The consequences for human health would be severe, with increased malnutrition and related health issues. The science is clear. A 2-degree rise in Earth's temperature would have devastating effects on our planet. Irreversible damage would be done to ecosystems, and the consequences for human health and global stability would be dire. The window for action is rapidly closing, and it's essential that we take immediate steps to mitigate climate change. In conclusion, a 2-degree rise in Earth's temperature is not just a number, it's a threshold beyond which our planet would face catastrophic consequences. I'd love to hear your thoughts on climate change in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about environmental issues, check out my next video on the impact of plastic pollution on marine life.